Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing everything. It's like a superhero, transforming stuff like healthcare and money. AI is a big deal. It's doing jobs for us, making things faster and coming up with new ideas. And guess what? It's changing how we get power too. AI is helping make smart power grids. These grids are super clever and can manage how power flows. They use sensors and look at information to make sure there's enough power for everyone. AI is also like a detective, finding problems before they happen. Special computer programs look at information from sensors on power stuff and can spot trouble early. AI also helps us save power at home. Smart thermostats use AI to learn what temperature we like and change it for us. That means we don't waste energy. And get this, AI helps with sun and wind power too. It helps these power farms make as much energy as possible. Google's DeepMind made a super smart AI. This AI saves a bunch of energy in Google's giant computer centers, like 40%. That's a lot. AI is also helping cities figure out how much power they need. This helps the power companies make enough power for everyone. AI even helps with electric cars. It makes sure they charge up without using too much power. The future of AI and energy is looking good. As AI gets even smarter, we'll have more power and be better to the planet. AI will be super important for using cleaner energy. It can even help with climate change and make sure we always have power. We're still learning about AI and energy, but it can do amazing things. AI will totally change how we get power and make it better for everyone.